mile. Turn left on Brooklyn Road.
I don't know what the speed limit is. And that was a cop sitting right there.
Like 25 is school session.
I was doing 50.
School zone. Second.
Yeah, and I'm realizing now that it's school's in session.
No, it's summer. School's not technically in session, but it is. No, we're gonna get pulled over, yep. It's pulling us over. I have nothing on me. Really. Great.
How you doing, Stanhope PD?
Good, how are you?
Good, man. I need a driver's license, registration, insurance card.
Of course.
All right. Just stopped because of speed.
Yeah, I know. I realized as soon as I came through, I realized.
All right.
Sorry about that.
Sorry, man. Where you headed to?
We are just coming back from our wedding venue because we got married yesterday.
Really?
And we're picking up all our decor.
You got married yesterday?
Yesterday.
Oh, you can't get a ticket. No way. Oh, plus who's a family member here?
It's a long-time family. He's retired now, moved down to Florida, but...
Oh, good for him. All right. Where'd you get married at?
Corona Farms.
Nice. Nice. So yesterday was the 11th, so you
Yep.
gonna remember that date?
7-Eleven.
You better not forget it.
Oh, I could never.
7-Eleven, yeah,
Yeah.
that's true. That makes it easier. You gotta have it on a date like mine's 10-4.
Oh, okay.
Come on, right?
7-Eleven.
That wasn't done on purpose either.
No.
Okay. All right.
10-4.
All right, so let me check your license. I'll get you out of here.
Of course.
Okay? Wedding cake?
Yep.
Wedding
Pick
cake.
it up?
Yep.
I think I might eat it today, though. I'm not sure I want to wait a year.
It was real
really
good.
Mine was still good a year later when I
Was
tried
it?
Was it?
Terrible.
No?
Yeah, it wasn't the worst thing in the world. But
Yeah.
I wouldn't recommend eating a year-old cake, but
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. We should enjoy it while it's fresh.
yeah, you probably should. Maybe save a little piece.
I like a piece, yeah.
Yeah. All right, I'll be right back.
All right, thank you.
All right, here's all your stuff.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Honeymoon?
We're going,
St.
we're leaving
Lucia.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yep.
Have a great time.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
all
Thank
right?
you. I'm
Take
sorry.
care.
Thank you.
No, no worries. Take care.
Turn left on Brooklyn Road.